may have seen today that Raspberry Pi have released their own imaging software to write their operating systems onto your SD card to use on your Raspberry Pi. So I just thought I'd give this a go. It's supposed to be quicker and faster than the traditional method. And what I want to do in this video is actually just try it out. So first of all, we're going to download the imaging software. We're going for the Windows version. It's fairly quick. Just let it install. And my understanding of this is okay, run it that way, that's fine. Could we run it? Okay, we're going to run anyway. So my understanding of this is that you don't even have to download the iOS image anymore onto your computer. You basically choose your operating system, choose the SD card, and off we go. So let's plug in my SD card. Okay, it's found it. So I'm going to choose my operating system. What do we want? Other versions. Full. Right, so this is the full Debian desktop version, 2.5 gigabyte download. Choose the SD card. USB 15 gig and write. And here we go. So just to kind of put this in perspective, I haven't downloaded the operating system to the computer. I haven't had to unzip anything. I've simply installed this software, selected the operating system I want, plugged in my SD card, haven't formatted the SD card, and I'm already at 4%. And it's maybe been going 30 seconds. This is pretty fast, this already. Obviously the speed of your internet's going to impact on it, so let's do a quick internet speed test. Right, so I'm downloading about 34 megabits a second. This is over Wi-Fi as well, rather than Ethernet. And already 16% is written to the SD card. It's taking about 2 minutes so far. Okay, so I'll let it finish and come back in a minute. So it's been about 8 or 9 minutes, and just finished off writing at 99%. Got to verify, obviously. So that was about 8 minutes altogether. Obviously I didn't have to download the image. I didn't have to unzip the image. Didn't have to drag it across. I just simply chose which Raspberry Pi operating system, Raspbian operating system I was interested in. Selected the SD card. Off we go. Excellent. So press continue. There's the SD card ready to go. So that is really good. Approximately 8 to 9 minutes based on my internet connection, 35 megabits per second. Didn't have to format the SD card, didn't have to download the OS, didn't have to unzip it, and didn't have to drag it across. Good job, Raspberry Pi. I'll be using that from now on. Thanks for watching.